Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we got this particular question for you all guys based on dice. So let's begin and solve it so that you can understand in a better way. So probability का question है. It says 2 dice means 2 dice are rolled. We know normal working I am telling you. 1 dice equals to how many sides? 6. Here are how many dice are there? 2 dice. So 6 to the power 2 it will be 36. Means total number of outcomes will be how many? 36. Now let's see what it says. If 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, what is the probability of getting on the uppermost face of the dice? Means when we have a dice, suppose this is our dice, okay? So it's asking what will be the probability of getting number over here, okay? So we are going to have working for this. So first part says a doublet means same number on both the dices, same number. Getting my point? Whatever the number will be there, the same number on the top it's talking about. Okay, so see, this is the rough working I told you. Now let's begin. See, now it says same number of probability, number of favorable outcomes. Is saying what? Same number on both. See? So what it will be? 1, 1. This is dice 1. This is dice 2. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. And 6, 6. Why we cannot go more than 6? Why? Because the dice goes from 1 to 6 only. So these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I already told you we have 2 dices are rolled. So how many total number of outcomes will be? Total number of outcomes will be how many? 36. How? 6 to the power 2 will give 36. Okay? Because 2 dices are rolled. So probability of doublet equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. That will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 36 gives 1 upon 6. So this is our probability for a dice. I hope this you understood. What we did nothing. We concentrated on basically on what parts. Like 2 dices are rolled. This is how we came for this. How many total outcome will be there? 2, 3, 6 to the power 2 will be there 36. So total number of outcome will be 36. Now first condition said on the uppermost we need what? A double, same number on both. So same number on both outcomes will be this. I haven't written 36 total outcome because there is no use, it will become very large. So I hope you can understand. Like we have gone for 1, so we can go 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then we will start for the second dice. Then it can go simultaneously. So I hope you got my point. The part 1 is complete. Now let's have a look with the next part with this particular question. So let me clean up with this board. So I will be writing this total number of outcomes here only, and I will be rubbing some specific part of it. Next part we have this. Same 2 dices are rolled. So if 2 dices are rolled, 6 to the power 2 will be what? 36. Okay, this is total number of outcomes you all have to remember. And now what the condition says on the uppermost one it is asking. See, this is the second part of this particular question only. Product of 12. See, so number of favorable outcome equals to product of 12 means if both dice is uppermost. See what? See, this is Suppose this is the dice. Whatever the number is on the uppermost, and when you multiply these two particular numbers, suppose this is 2 and this is 6, when you will multiply, it will give what? 12. Fine. Whatever the uppermost number will be there. So we have to concentrate on the question. So we can say 2, 6, 6, 2. Inverse we have done. 6 2s are 12, 12 6 2s are 12, 2 6s are 12. And 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Other than that, I don't think so there will be any. What? So how many number of outcomes are there? 4. So probability of product of 12 equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes is how many. Here you don't have to define how many total number of outcomes. You don't have to write it full thing, okay? Just need it on your mind. That's enough. But what you have to show, number of favorable outcomes, you have to show okay, these are the pairs. So pairs were 4 in number. Total number of outcomes is 36. 1 upon 2 is 1 8, 1 9, 1 by 9. Okay. So what is the probability? Is probability of a product of 9 of 12 is 1 upon 9. Here is your answer. Here is your answer. Now we will be doing the next part so that समझ में आ रही है बात? What we did? See, in this particular question, from the starting, what was the question? What was the part? 2 dice are rolled. How many outcomes will be there? 36. 6 to the power 2 will give 36. Okay. Now we have product of 12. So means whatever the pair will be formed, their product will be equals to what? 12 as explained over here. Fine. So see, 2 6 are 12. Fine. 6 2s are 12. Fine. 3 4s are 12. Fine. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Other than that, it will not form a product of 12. Okay. And if it would have said 15, so 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Other than that, there will be no product which will be forming 15. So in that case, only 2 pair would have come. Getting my point? So there are things over there. Now let's have a look with the next part for this particular question. See, our next part says both are odd numbers. Suppose these are the dice. Okay. Fine. Suppose this is 1, this is 3. It can be 1 as well because it's not written, it has to be identical or other than identical. Okay, so we can write that also. So let's begin. We will write number of favorable outcome equals to what? 1 1, both are odd. The condition is both number are odd. 1 3, fine. 3 1, fine. Getting? Are you getting my point? Next we can write after 1 what is the odd number? 1 5. Okay, or we can say 5 1 1 1 5 1. Okay, 1 1. I think. Okay. Both are odd numbers. भाई 1 होता है odd number, ठीक. 3 is odd number, ठीक. 5 is odd number, ठीक. You are getting my point? What else we can write? We can write 3 3. Same number also we will write 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see if any point is left so that we can have a look. What else we can write? 3 5 5 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 plus 9. देखो, check if any pair is like, every pair is being like both are odd numbers and it's not being repeated. So if we can see, I think this is fine enough because we have repeated 5 also. We have 3 5 5 3 also. We have combination of 1 3 3 1 1 5 1 5. Okay, so I think this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so probability for both odd numbers equals to number of favorable outcome sum upon total number of outcome. See, in probability, the thinking part is this: favorable outcomes you have and total number of outcomes. This is only the thinking part. If you will make a mistake over here, now your answer will never going to come correct. So be very attentive about it. So this is 9 upon 36, and we can write 3 is a 1, 2, 3 1 is a 1 upon 4 is the probability for this odd numbers. Okay, for the even number, same thing will go on. What we will do? 2 2, 2 4, 4 2, 4 4, 6 6. Fine, you are getting my point. If this would have been for even number, then we would have made a pair for even number. You are getting my point? Let's do a last part for this one. See, odd is done, even also you can understand. Let's do one more part, so that let me change the question over here. Let's have a sum of something. Sum of, let's say this is the D part, sum of 7. Okay? So number of favorable outcomes, how many will come? Let's see. 7, sum of 7. So 1, 6 will form a 7. Fine. 6 1, fine. 2 5 5 2 3 3 4 4 3 will form a 7. Then 5 2 5 2 will done. 6 1 6 1 is done. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 are coming over here. I think this is the maximum. What else will come? Because if we will add 5 with something, we have already done. 6 with something, already done. So I think this is enough. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So probability for sum of 7 equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. You're getting my point? So this is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 upon 36 gives 1 upon 6. Okay, this is what probability of sum of 7. It can be any. See, I have given you just a question is being based over here so that you can understand. So this question was based on the dice and how different types of question can be asked. Here I have taken 2 dices. It can happen 3 dices as well. It can happen only with 1 dice only. So it depends. I hope this thing is being clear to you all. You are able to understand. And thank you for watching. I hope your concept of probability is getting more clear and you are able to understand what a probability means and how to do it. And thank you for watching and being supportive. Take care. Allah Hafiz. If you have any sort of query, please comment it below so that I can reply and work accordingly. And thank you for, if you have any sort of suggestion, even you can give free to give suggestion as well. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.